You're almost there then.
I'm almost there.
Funding two accounts.
I'm almost there. The most important thing for me out of the 5 evals journey was at least 2 of them will get passed out of the 5. That's all I care about. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Seth. Good morning, NX. Good morning, Johanna. How are you? Welcome to the crew.
Good morning. How are you?
Everything's great, brothers and sisters. My bad. I forgot their
Good
first.
morning.
Good morning, Gonzo.
Made it back in time.
I'm a little salty today, man. I was supposed to get a nice dub on this gold trade, and it took me out, so I stayed out of it just because. But everything went the way it should have gone. Gave a nice push from the 3600s, all the way to where we are right now, where it was TP. A total of 140 points for gold. What a nice rally. Whatever. But more important than anything, guys, a lot of good opportunities. Today's Thursday. Market is always booming on Thursdays. I don't know why Thursdays always feel like a really, really good trade day.
Yeah, guys, remember that there's a lot of news right at the open, so be careful.
Very.
We have news 15 minutes after open and 15 minutes again after that. So
There's new or yellow.
we have, let me tell you right
PMI.
now, one second.
ISM
Yeah, we have
services.
PMI.
But I thought at 9:45 PMI doesn't really affect that much.
No,
Only the 10 o'clock.
It's a 10.
Yeah, but sometimes they do, just be careful because news during open, you can get a little bit hectic. And then we have PMI 15 minutes. So we have the global composite at 15 minutes after open, and then the ISM PMI 15 minutes after that. So yeah.
All right,
And
guys.
remember tomorrow we have NFP, so today could be crazy too.
It could be a rangy day,
Yeah.
that's for sure. That could be a rangy day. Could be a lot of chop, could be rangy. I think for right now, for what it is, gold has presented itself to be the highest opportunity out of everything, just because we're in all-time highs, and as you can see, we did recover really strong from the 3600. It's just going up into the supply zone. If it breaks, it's just going to continue up into that 3640. So just keep that in mind as we are trading today. Today, it looks like gold has the best opportunities. So if you don't see anything that looks clean for NQ, like I know that Ronnie has nailed in our head that we should be looking at different markets, looking at the conditions of what NQ is doing, where it's just sitting on a demand zone. It's what the market react to, and I just want to make sure you guys know. Please mark 472 as TDO Thursday, mark 438 as TDO Tuesday, and then the lowest we have right now PMO 426. I'll make sure I get that for you guys on chat real quick, so in case anybody that comes in can have that. But we are sitting on a demand zone. I do expect market to keep going up right now. A second here.
Hey guys, I have a question for y'all. I'm Nicole.
Sorry, who's that?
I'm Nicole.
Hey, Nicole, what's up?
Good, how are y'all? So I was just wondering, does anyone in here trade live accounts or just like funded accounts?
I'm only on funded accounts or evals.
Mm. So no one in here trades like live accounts?
For
I think
minus
Gonzo
16,
trades
so
it.
I think Gonzo might have.
Gonzo trades live.
Yeah, I have live accounts, but on Forex.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I just wanted to know.
You're fine. Why do
You
you trade
use
on your
live?
live account?
I'm sorry?
Do you use live funds or you're on evals and funded?
I was on funded accounts, but I was thinking about going with Life's account. I don't know.
I recommend if you do go live, start with $100. Start very small, so you could get used to like any losses, and you don't go on a tilt and feel like you're losing a lot. Just be very cautious of that. The reason why I like evals and funded accounts is because it doesn't hurt me that much to lose $50 or $150 for a funded challenge. And at the end of the day, you do seem to use the same psychology. It's just you break it down into what's the fraction of $50 that you're really losing per account, per trade, in other words. I like to divide my evals to be like I want to get 10 losses out of the $50, so that way it makes me feel good about not just blowing $50 out of the blue.
Mm.
But yes,
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
start very small on your live account. When I first did live account, I first started trading with live account. I started with $1,500. That account went down to 700 in a matter of like 1 week, and then I brought it back up slowly but surely back to the 1,500 with the help of my
Mhm.
friend. But yeah, it will take a toll. Try to have like an ideal risk management where you're losing maybe $30 per trade, and you're sticking to a really strong um, like risk management plan where you're not going to trade more than 2 trades a day. That way you have a maximum of 20, 30 trades before you actually blow everything. All right, guys. So
All
we're
right,
getting a.
thank you.
You're very welcome, Nicole. So right now we're getting a really strong rejection off this area of 486. So right now we're still lingering around this demand zone. What I would really, really like is for us to get like this bottom right here and then switch back up. You have London right here at the bottom. Once this is swept, we could see ourselves will make our way back up.
Look for longs at 430,
430.
around there. Yeah.
Nice. And that's a good area as well because we do see that we initially had that demand from there. And that's TDO right away. Close to it. Very close to it. TDO and PMO. Keep that in mind with Monk. He's good at those zones. Let's see here. All right, so I'm liking this reaction. I'm gonna be patient. It didn't fully get the 450. Notice how every time we came up into this 523 zone, we had like a critical area where it kept getting rejected. But now it's become like support over here at the very top. Let's see here. Andrea, do you have any bias for this morning?
Not yet. I needed to come up. It already hit a target last night when it hit the 538.
Mhm.
So I am expecting a down move. So I'm confused on why we're going up right now. So I'm just waiting.
Well, it is a demand zone. It's a valid demand zone, so that's the reason why like I would have triggered this if there was no news. I would have triggered this at the very bottom right here. Once I saw that impulse move up, that 460 would have been my entry, would have tapped and gone. But the only reason why I'm not entering is because we haven't swept 450. I really want that 450 swept. Do we have to do it? Not really, not necessarily, but it would give me a more ease of taking that because what this can do is just come down fast and come back up. I don't want to be that liquidity. Gonzo, anything for you right now at the moment, or you're gonna be sitting still until the news drops?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the news, bro. I'm much better. I'm much better trading when I wait for the news than when I rush it. So
I hear
yeah,
you
I'm
on
just
that.
gonna wait.
I hear you on that. Yeah, patience is virtuous, guys. We don't have to rush into anything. Has anybody taken any trades on pre-market?
I did a call last night, but I got stopped out.
Break even?
No, I did a stop loss at $100.
Hmm. Good risk management. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a total of 53 points to the upside so far. We're seeing how we're gonna react from this crucial critical point for reversals. If we do make it to the top, if I'm being realistic on what the target can be is this huge gap right here. We're gonna see ourselves make it all the way to 650 with the news.
I could see that. I could see that. Especially if it's getting ready to break 550.
It's crazy that the whole week that we've been trading, everything that we've marked from the beginning of the week still remains to be valid. That's so crazy to me. Supply turns into support. We break this support and we keep bouncing around it. It's just ready to blast.
What kind of news do we have today?
Today we have PMI, ISM services PMI. So pretty much this is based on level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers, including manufacturing industries. So basically they survey, if I'm not mistaken, the managers at warehouses and stuff like that. Think of like things like Costco, etc.
5 minute candles looking crazy.
I'm telling you, bro, it's freaking ridiculous, dude. So what a lot of new traders would do, just like let you guys know, a lot of new traders would look at this pump right here and they would just enter at the top without understanding what they are doing or why they're choosing to enter here. So it's better to miss a bus, guys, than to try to run and rush for it. A lot of times you will see market just pump and pump and pump and pump. And at the moment that you do decide to trigger the buy, guess what happens? It starts going all the way down. You're like trying to save it. You have to always look to the left, guys. What is happening? What is happening? Look to the left. You know, if we're at a crucial point that we have rejected multiple times and we're already above it and it's going with momentum, then yeah, you know, you want to always lower your risk. Lower that risk into 2 to 1 micros and making sure you're always at 30 points max. Because if you look at the 30 points max, you're looking at something along the lines right here. The market just comes back into retesting a zone, for example, right here, which would be 520, and maybe hoping that it bounces back up. But the way you will enter markets on pullbacks is the same way I'm explaining. If you see a huge pump, just think retail is going to enter here and they're going to think that we're going to keep going flying. So what it does, it always does a break and then it comes right back down into a zone that may be healthy, like 50%, maybe 30%. It could be anything. And that would be your entry to enter. So if we're gonna sit here and just watch this, I'd rather explain that to you guys so you guys don't feel FOMO or any fear. As you can see, we're getting a really strong rejection. Can you imagine how many people are getting trapped up here just to think, man, I missed this move. It's already 5 minutes in. It's just gonna keep rallying. It's a really sucky feeling, especially when you know that you should be waiting for a pullback and you don't happen to wait for it. You feel miserable. You feel really miserable just being inside that loss. And it destroys your psychology as a trader of what you're doing throughout the day. So just take notes of that and check in your emotions. You know, am I missing out on something? No, you're not. It's only the beginning of the day. It's only 6 minutes in.
Oh, can you draw the Fib retracement?
Yeah. So if you look at the fib retracement, I'm not doing it yet because I don't want anybody getting ahead of themselves. So if you look at the fib retracement, we have London below at 4. We said 4. What was it? We had London at 440 something. Yeah, 450. We had London at 450. We have the resistance at the top. This could be a trap trade to come all the way back down to London and then go all the way back up. It's a kill switch, I think they call it, where they pretty much take both sides or a kill zone. I don't know the terminology of all this trading stuff, guys. I've been self-taught for already almost 2 years. But technically, all the market's going to do is go up and down on the range and then take the direction with the news. So they're building liquidity, taking liquidity, and from there just looking to aim for a break of structure out of the range. And what you're looking for is you're looking for a break and retest. So for example, right now, you know, if we know that news is coming on the next almost 22 minutes, there you go. Look at that zone. By the way, look at the 0.618 zone. You saw how close we got to this, and it's already on a VWAP. You could already see the bounces around this zone to be a valid area for a quote unquote pullback. Doesn't mean you enter right away. What you want to always wait for is some kind of pattern. You want to wait for a pattern that might indicate that buyers are present and they're defending the zone. So what it would look like is something along the lines of this. You want something like this, or you want something that looks like this. When I look at this being the bottom, I always wait for that break retest, and it always normally looks like a W. So you see this first bottom and then the second bottom always down. Once you see this, I think it's called an SMT. Anybody correct me if I'm wrong. Once you see that and you see the pullout with the break comes in, that's your entry to go in. So you already see, as I'm talking, you're seeing some kind of buyers step in and they're just showing some kind of strength. The lower it gets, the better it is, because I want everything to just show me that we're going to be in some kind of support area. So the lower time frames, like the 15 seconds, might show you that a little bit more clear. Let's see here. So in the 15 seconds, as you can see, we have this base area where market previously took over from that resistance. Before the beginning of the market open, it dropped, manipulated people, took the direction based. Again, this is trapping sellers to think that we're going to go down. And then it just takes off, comes back into this critical zone, pulls out as a fake out, traps everybody. Boom. Takes us down right into the zone that we took a nice base in. And now we're just looking for some kind of support to confirm this move up. Again, just because I'm talking about it doesn't mean it's going to happen exactly how I'm saying it, right? We can't really be fortune tellers, but we can manage to be removing the worst probabilities possible. Anybody have any other confluences that you use in these kind of zones or in these kind of conditions that might help one of our members? Don't be shy.
Yeah, right now I'm looking at the Max 7, and the reason why we are suddenly dropping is because Tesla, Apple, Google, and Microsoft all flip red. Google is getting is having quite the seller's pressure. So is Microsoft. So yeah, just waiting.
Good. Keep
And
an eye on that
Nvidia is
for us.
about to red too.
That's beautiful.
I think this wants to go down.
That's for sure. I do agree with you on that. Look at the 2 minute, guys. Anytime you see a candle with a big wick and it's just kind of like pushing down, aside from the other one, I like to look at this as a full reversal. And again, it goes back to everything we talk about. There's London liquidity sitting below that they purposely did not take. They did not take that on purpose because everybody's stop loss is somewhere around here. They could just literally come all the way down and then take us all the way back. And it's the suckiest feeling ever, guys. And it goes back to what Monk said. Monk was saying that he wants to take buys at 420. Can you imagine how many people are sitting here buying, waiting, and they're like, oh yeah, it's gonna keep going rallying. And then they come back, take them, and then they go in the direction.
Yeah, Nvidia is flipping red hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're all flipping red right now. So
Mm-hmm. And we're already past the golden zone. So the golden zone is for me 0.786. This strength of sellers, it's not even basing at a zone that should be a nice support with a major pullback. This is already going a full flip to the other side. So if you're short, you're holding that short into 450, guys, maybe 430, 420, and you're just managing your risk. Manage your risk. Don't get greedy. Make sure your sizing is correct. Let's see here. By the way, let me see something here. Stuck on one time frame. I don't want to get too vision blurred. See. Look at this beautiful M right here, which is really a W. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. So if you flip this chart over and you invert it, all you see is this. To me, that says sells. And it goes back to the critical supply zone. 1, 2, 3. And look how many rejections. Look how many rejections. All this is a zone that we can be just creating like this really beautiful. I'm just giving you guys all the probabilities that could happen. Look at this.
We have such a big bullish SMT today. Oh, sorry, bearish SMT. Look at ES, bro. ES is literally moving sideways, like making higher lows, higher highs. Nasdaq is just falling. On 1 minute for ES is what I meant. Compared to Nasdaq, they are not taking out any of the lows.
still a critical point for supply, and they're looking strong. In order for ES to go on a rally long, I'd say above 40, 64.73. It has to close above that.
News. First news of the day. Okay.
Oh, did it do a full recovery? Oh my God. That's crazy. That's nuts.
It came up. So
All right,
the global PMI came a bit lower than expected.
real quick, guys, real quick. Look at the 15-second on NQ. We have this beautiful W with a nice retest, and there you go. The pattern that I was talking about for longs. Ah, sorry, I was not looking at that earlier, guys, but that would have been your confirmation to enter at 478 into that long, and hope for a break even for it to blast. It won't always be a beautiful, 100-point move, but it could definitely be a nice move with a nice position that is almost guaranteed. Plus the fact that if you look at the 1 minute gave us a nice doji spinning top, and this candle was your confirmation that that reversal was happening at a demand zone. That little pullback right here was your entry. Beautiful, very beautiful. So now if you're looking for pullback entries, you're looking for like 480s, 470s to be your first, your second confirmation of entries, which we're seeing some kind of strength. But again, we're so close to news that it's not even worth like chasing it. Yo, NX, have you made anything yet? I'm curious to know that.
No trades yet.
No trades yet. Good job, man. Good job. I think that's the best thing you can do. I'm not trying to see no blown funded account today.
That's right.
All right,
I was
perfect.
trying to see that either.
Look how beautiful this is, guys. So back to the fib. So as you can see, all the new traders, novice traders would have entered here long. Imagine you're holding this trade all the way down. You're like, damn, it's gonna go up. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Boom. It takes you longer, and then it makes you believe it's gonna go up. Then guess what? You add to your position, and as a novice trader, you're just you're at this point you're on tilt mode. You get stopped out, and then you have an extra 500 bucks of balance to blow, and then you just think you're just gonna short, and that's where you have to have your eyes and all the senses to your intuition edge and play all the way. Let me see here. So that was a beautiful pullback. It looks like a small little flag to me, bases up and rallies to the top. Where you would have to again protect if you are long, you're gonna have to protect some capital at 520, 530, just because there's a zone that if it does drop again, it's gonna go all the way down to 450 and beyond. What a nice recovery.
And going down again.
And going down one more time, exactly. This is Scalplandia, guys. It really is
Yeah,
Scalplandia.
this is for scalpers, this is Disney.
This is Disneyland on Scalp Zone. And guys, the only reason why I'm not doing scalps right now like I should is because I took a small L on pre-market on $240 with gold, and then it rallied without me. So it is what it is, you know. I'm okay missing out on anything just because I know my emotions are a little bit tilt. Gotta be real with you guys. I'm not the best trader ever, but I do know when I'm feeling some type of way. All right, so back into the demand zone. Very nice impulsive move to the upside. I wouldn't get trapped here yet. We're so close to that news. Oh, look, and good thing I didn't trigger anything. Look, I'm in GC. Oh, Lord. Oh my God, that would have sucked.
You enter a trade?
No, no, no. I'm saying that thank God I didn't trigger anything because I was on GC, which is gold. I would have taken
No,
a
you're
bigger.
gonna blow your
I would have been on Tomo for sure. Oh Lord. All right, so we're holding this zone. Let's see if we actually rally back up. It's a beautiful M, but if you look at it, it could be an SMT for shorts. Let me flip it again one more time. Look at that beautiful M, W, retest this to short into 450 or 430, 420. I think this would be Monk's entry.
What?
Monk is like, nope. Full
Yeah,
port it.
I
Full port it,
I
man.
was just using my phone, bro.
By the way, Segi's saying 430s, 430s. So Segi, are you short to 430 right now or what? Look at that, they're taking
She's
everybody
full
out.
putting her shorts, bro.
So we tapped the zone. Jesus Christ. These guys are all over the place, man. Be real with yourself, guys. Let me see here. No, I took profits before, but I went too long. 430s. Nice, brother. I'm gonna look into that zone too because Monk said 420. So if multiple eyes are seeing that, I'm gonna be very
430.
patient. Monk said 420. Seki's saying 430.
30, 30, not 20, 30.
Oh, you said 30. My bad, guys. 430, guys. Be careful. I don't want to mess up anybody on a miss. So that means if it taps 430, you better go in and hope for the best, guys. Proper risk
Full
management.
port, full port.
Full port it. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, guys, this is a huge group, man. You guys are quiet today. Let's see here. Gold, what are you doing? You're a little quiet. I haven't seen you say anything.
So at 4:30, we're full porting the long, right?
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah, yeah.
if you want to buy, hey, if you want me to entertain you, buy me an Eva. I'll full port it for you. I love dropping 5 minis. I love that. Let's see here. So we keep bouncing around this like 50% fib level zone. This is a zone you don't want to be in, guys, at all. You don't want to be here. You're not missing out anything. I promise. If you zoom out,
We're gonna range until news.
yeah, we're just gonna range now. Now it's gonna be just a range, and then it'll plummet or pump like crazy. All right, guys. So I'm just making the air clear. Our boy Segi's saying he's gonna long at 430, but he would wait for his entry signal. So make sure you guys know, you know, be careful. I'm just here for support, guys. Today I feel a little iffy trading just because I took a small L. I broke my rule. I should have never taken a greedy ass trade before pre-market. See here, I got a text message I replied to. All right, guys. So as you can see, market is just moving sideways. This is not a zone again that you want to be taking decision into entering. What you're seeing is just a huge open range. A huge open range.
¿Cómo está?
Mute yourself, bro. Any break above or below, that would be the direction. You already know 450. You already know once we sweep that, that could be the entry to go up, or it could push all the way down to 430. Let's see here. Thank you, Sleepy.
I think everybody's just waiting on this news. That's why we're moving sideways.
Yeah. That's definitely what it is.
Bullish or bearish, guys?
Full port longs, man. All the way. I'm just
Full
kidding.
port shorts. What are you talking about?
Who was that?
It's Matt. It's Matt.
Matt.
Yo, we need to take Asia lows. Nah, I'm kidding, guys. Do not follow. Do not follow what I say.
You know what, Matt? I wanted it that 450 to get taken out and then rally up. That was my cue to enter long at the open bell, but it didn't happen. So now I'm just being patient, bro.
On that first short, I was trailing profits like tight as fuck.
Nice.
Because it edged my TP.
So how much you make on that?
That was 50 points. Made 300 on 2 micros.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful. I'm telling you guys forget that $300 is $300. You guys see a lot of people on the internet or on other discords posting 1,000, posting 2,000. Forget about all that. You have to be realistic that you're making $300 in a matter of like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and that's more than amazing. And there's endless amount of opportunities, guys. I mean, like endless amount of opportunities. The problem is our brains wants more. It wants that adrenaline. It wants to feel what it feels good to be right, and it doesn't like to be wrong. That's why you hold on to losing trades so much that it causes you to tilt. It causes you to not be a profitable trader. It causes you not to allow yourself to be open to being a loser, and you have to be okay with that. You really do. Trust me. The more you're okay losing, the more you're okay with staying alive and looking alive. And there's a saying that goes, slow and steady wins the race, right? So you're not gonna get rich if you've been trading for 1 year. Realistically speaking, you're not gonna get six-figure income in the first year. And if you do, good for you. I'm happy for you. I hope you really do. But be realistic. Set realistic goals. Hey, you know what? I would like to get an extra $500 or $1,000 payouts a month, and that would help me to add additional funded accounts or evals into investing into my future. Or I would like to look at the money that I'm earning as a consistent amount that I would be able to secure quarterly for a vacation on next quarter or whatever. You have to set a purpose behind what you're doing and why you're doing trading. Don't just be like, I want to be rich. Give it purpose. What is it for? Is it to give yourself a lavish lifestyle? Is it to help your mom? Is it to help, pay some credit cards? Is it to help yourself just feel good about yourself? I don't know. Give it purpose, and don't just look at the charts all day. Like, make a reasonable analysis of your trading day, and technical analysis, and just pretty much, say to yourself, what am I missing every single day? What am I missing to learn? Every day I want to learn something new, and it's gonna make me a better trader. And little by little, you start putting the pieces together. You start, like, there's nobody in this chat that can say they know everything. Like, we are all students of the markets. There's not one person here that can be like, I'm a pro. And if you do have that ego, you're in the wrong community. I'm telling you that straight up. So always stay humble. The markets will literally humble you one day. There you go. We said it at the same time, bro. There you go. At the same exact time. All right, guys. So we got 1 more minute. Enough preaching. Let's see here. Chat. Give me a dub for shorts. Give me an L for longs. That boy. He said shorts. Let's go.
I think that it's gonna go down. I think the market wants it lower for tomorrow.
Cool.
Yeah, me too.
cool.
It's going down, bro.
Dub with the dub. That's so funny. Damn, that's a big group, yo. What's up, Puzzle?
Damn, we had a lot of people today.
It's a lot of people today, man. I'm so happy to have you guys here. The only one that's missing is Ronnie.
I don't see any other short targets
Here
apart
we go.
from 299. Like that's the lowest I can see going for today. Holy shit, the 5-minute candles, like the past few are so ugly.
So PMI came 1 point above expectations.
So what is that? Is that like bullish?
Anything above 50 is bullish for the dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Anything below 50 is the activity in the sector is declining, so it would be bad for the dollar.
And not only
So
that, guys.
it means anything above 50 means that the economy is growing, is good for the economy. But anything that is going to strengthen the dollar is going to make risk assets dip a little bit. So
And another thing, guys,
because
you guys can always use ChatGPT. I tell this to everybody. ChatGPT is your personal assistant. If you don't know economical data or you don't know fundamentals, I guarantee you, you just copy and paste information into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will tell you what sentiment the market might have. It could be bullish, it could be bearish, it could even tell you that it's neutral. Is it going to always be accurate? No, but it gives you an upper hand, right? Like you want to use like this beautiful tool. AI is one of the things that's going to help make your life easier. And if you're not getting adapted to it right now, don't be Mr. Boomer here, Gonzalo, that doesn't use it. You know,
AI is gonna kill us, motherfuckers. I saw the real Terminator, so it's coming. Skynet is coming. You better believe it.
so just make sure you understand, like, this is one of the ways you can become a better trader by just utilizing this tool. And you could even drop a chart into AI, and AI will tell you where the key support levels are and everything else. No bullshit, straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
AI is gonna be the end of us all. Remember this.
So our boy's saying he found a new bot in a different server, Arnav. That's why Arnav has been MIA, man. You've been on a different server, bro. What's wrong with you? Let's see here. All right, so we're getting some kind of sell pressure, but it's not guaranteed yet. Very nice breakout.
There you go.
There we go. Yuck!
All right, did we get that
Damn,
450?
as
We
soon
got
as
that
you said it.
450. We got that 450. All right, perfect. Now 450. Do we get a rally back into the 500s and 50s? Come on. Just give
No,
it to
wait.
me.
Give me 430s first, not 450s.
Yeah,
Nah,
please,
430.
430.
I don't know. I said 450 from the beginning, so I'm being biased here. So if I see anything above, just rallying above this VWAP, I'm taking that long. Our boy Segi, our boy Monk, and Gonzo's all saying 430, guys. So don't listen to me. I'm being a degen, all right, guys?
We finally broke structure to the downside.
Hey, Ronnie. Ronnie's muted. Ronnie, what do you see in the markets at the moment?
Can you hear me?
I hear you loud
I
and clear.
I think that like right now, if you look at like the overnight action, like we are I think we're gonna be going a little bit more short all the way to like 350, you guys.
I agree.
So
I agree.
I'm gonna be holding my shorts.
Very nice.
Die,
But
Marco, die.
You guys can enter this on shorts, by the way, guys. We already got the break of structure with a retest. You're just gonna have to put like your stop loss is gonna be like 450, 460-ish. What am I talking about? You already moved. Jesus Christ,
Come
we're already
on.
at 430. God damn.
Bro,
Sheesh.
you're like
Um,
late to the party.
Where the hell? I wasn't even looking at that. I don't know why. Wow. All
we
right, so
edge 430.
there's your 432, guys. Good luck. Good luck. All right, there's
Yeah, I'm not long. I'm actually
wow.
switching short bias because Max 7 are all dying. So
Wow, look at
yeah.
that. Wow, look at that 5 minute, guys.
Yeah.
So imagine some losers holding this trade. Imagine some losers holding this trade from over here trying to go long, guys. Just be careful. Be careful, guys.
Loser, that's so mean.
Yeah.
It's like you weren't here earlier. We were talking about how novice traders would be like, "Oh, I want to take a long up here just because it's rallying." You know, they feel the FOMO of missing out, and it's just trapping everybody.
Yeah, I wasn't here. What did you guys take any trades?
No, we have been
Nope.
sitting on our hands beautifully. We look beautiful.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
I saw a short early, but the wicks were scaring me to get in, so I didn't get in.
Oh
Give me a
man.
retest so I can short you. Don't die yet.
I think where I saw shorts is somewhere around here. I called it right here. I just didn't like all that wiki stuff.
Go back to 450 and I will short you.
Nice. Segi's in his short still, guys. Fade him. All right, there goes the buyers coming in after tapping 420, guys. We did say 420, no?
Yeah, someone said
435.
420,
All right,
someone said
so
430.
there's our W. There's our W. I'm
Order
gonna take this
filled.
long. I'm gonna put my short. I'm gonna put my stop at 420, and I'm gonna let it ride. I'm just gonna let it ride. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It is what it is. It's only $40, guys. But I like the
Wait, until
420.
you're short, right?
No, I didn't enter nothing yet.
I thought you were waiting for that 450.
Yeah, but I need to see something first. I don't click instantly. I need to see some.
Guys, I'm small position, so please, if you're going long with me, make sure it's only 1 to 2 micros, okay? This is super risky because, as you can see, this thing's taking a dump. But if it takes me on a nice rally, I'm looking at a very, very beautiful long for the rest of the day. I want to take it all the way to like 645. I'm being super ambitious, but for one
Yeah,
micro,
you
that would be
are.
amazing. See here. All right, so Segi's still waiting for a fair value gap to get tapped. To continue to the upside, Segi? Yes, for longs, perfect. Good to know. All right, Segi's adding to my confluences. Let's go. Take me out. Take me out, please, market. I want to get taken out. Every time I want to get taken out, it goes in the right direction.
Yo.
Oh wow, as soon as you said that, we're pumping.
All right,
Go
guys.
up.
This might be a stream that we're here for 3 hours, guys. So
I just went long.
just go get your breakfast, guys, because we're gonna be here for a few hours.
I just went long as well.
We're fading
tie
Ronnie.
this up.
We're fading Ronnie. Ronnie, I hope you understand why we're going long, okay? It's just because we had mentioned earlier 430s, and since we tap 420s, 420 is PMO for me. I like the support that we're building off of it, and the fact that we did hold that 430 is the reason why it's valid for me to take the long and trigger the button. At least I'm triggering the button.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. All right, baby,
It
let's go.
looks like
The last thing I need is
like
for this to come down. The last thing I need is for this to come down one more time and then take off without me. If it does take off without me, I'm going full. I'm going full size 5 micros.
I thought you were gonna say 5 minis.
No, you're crazy.
Don't be a degen. Don't be a degenerate gambler.
I'm so close to getting these funded accounts, guys. I'm not being a degen. Let's see here.
Yo, guys, my funded futures just released a sim funded reset. Like you can reset your funded for $200.
Dang, that's
That
nice.
is the same amount as an
Topstep released theirs for $500.
Yeah,
like
that's
reset your funded.
500 is too much, bro.
Yeah, I know, right? Bro, I would rather like.
There's gonna be a lot of people paying 500 to reset their funded.
And they're gonna get really
lose them
rich.
again and pay them again. Remember that.
If you do that, please Just get out of the server. I'm serious.
Yo, I look at $100. Though. I can
Wait,
I can
if you do
rebuy
that, just wait. Quit trading.
And you know what's the worst part? That you can't even reset a funded account that you have gotten a payout. It has to be an account that you have not gotten a payout from. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's the crazy part.
Yeah.
Uh,
Paying 500 for that is just ridiculous when you can pay 140 and do it all again.
Correct. People like the easy way out, man. That's what it is.
Here comes the W.
Yeah, that's a W for sure. On the 1 minute, so technically, like for me, if I look at the 15-second, you see this weird ass W right here, that retest. Hopefully it just pumps us out.
Up!
You gotta go up, baby. Come on. Just go up for me. Go up for me. Guys, when you're already talking to the chart, you're in the wrong trade.
yeah.
Oh, snap.
Let's start.
Nah, you gotta put the magnet and the hammer on the
Put the
charts,
hammer.
bro.
I got you,
Start
I got-
hammering it up.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start blowing this. There we go.
Wait, it's working. It's working. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Keep blowing.
Everybody blow.
Somebody blow.
Yo,
Where's the
You
hammer?
should
At?
rename
Us-
the group to a market maker group. It's not DoodTrading anymore.
Market maker group. Look at this guy. And as soon as we do that, we get hungry.
yo,
real
there it
quick.
is.
Oh, here it is. Hello. How do we do this? How do we flip it?
We need to close above.
Magnet at 650.
50.
Magnet at 650.
Oh, that's right. Come on, baby, give us that dub. We're all getting trapped, guys. Oh man.
And here comes the death drop.
Ronnie's like, these
What's
guys
the
are
max
just today.
What?
All right, we're gonna pump now.
Hey, where's Debbie at?
All right, yeah, we're going up. We're going up. Come
We had her
on.
anniversary. Oh
Ah.
wait, no, she didn't. That was the other day. So it's like she had a late night.
Where you at, best
We
friend?
need people to stop selling stocks, man. If they-
All right,
if
guys.
they-
So real quick, if you're in longs, please make sure you add to your position as it goes up. Slowly, not surely, like slowly. All right. Once we start breaking resistance zones, you're gonna start adding to your position little by little. Nothing crazy, and you're gonna make sure your trail is at a minimum like $100-$150. I'm not saying right now. All right. I'm not saying right now. But once we're above the 480s, 490s, you're looking to add at least 2-3 micros, and you're gonna make sure you have a tight stop loss. Hopefully, we get a nice rally to the top, making your nice 500, 600. And it's almost end of the week. We gotta end the week green. All right.
My first TP is 492, and then I'm gonna just let it ride
I just hope.
until 512.
I just hope that you consider everything I've always told you. Let it ride a little bit more. If it stops you out, it is what it is, you know? I know it's 10 p.m. for you, bro. I know it.
Let's see. I'll think about it.
If you
Nope.
watch any of my any of our YouTube channel videos, I'm always talking about you after you leave. Oh,
I don't
man.
like how we're reacting from the TDO today.
Yeah, that TDO is acting like resistance at the moment. Let me see 5 minutes. Let's not get blindsided.
5
yet.
minutes looking bullish.
No, but this 5 minutes good. This right here would be what I call SRT for this candle, and as long as we break above that 490, we're good. This right here is clean
Yeah.
for the entry of longs. So if you
If we
enter,
don't die now.
if you shut up.
You say that as I'm
Oh.
gonna get stopped out in a few seconds.
Come on, baby, just jump us. Give us 100 point up. That's all I need. Let's go. Let's see.
I just want 5 minutes to close at 459, and then I'm sure it's going up.
Pozo, what
I
do you
was
see?
so
Is Pozo still here? No, she left.
That was so
Okay.
funny.
She's
Let me
always a
see.
long bias anyways.
Okay, good.
So she
Yeah, we're
for
going down,
long.
boys.
Let's see here.
Hold on. Well, maybe he's right.
Death drop. Here comes the death drop.
Guys, you're okay taking this L, guys. At the end of the day, you hold risk management, right? You have to accept this $100 loss. You have to accept this $200 loss. Can you minimize it and close it at 100, 150? Sure, but will you know if it worked or it didn't? You'll only know if it hits your stop loss. It was a reasonable trade with a reasonable zone. Just, take the L. Take the L. Oh man, between all of us, we're all losing like $2,000, $3,000 easy.
Not with micros.
Not with micros, nah. All right,
Yeah,
so
we're going
that
down,
15
boys.
minutes looking down, guys. How's that max 7 looking, bro? It looks like it's gonna tap this gap
Order
and maybe go
filled.
back up without us. Now I gotta put my 5 micros ready. That was short-lived, boys and girls. Let's see here.
I don't know why you went long right there. I was like wondering. Oh yeah, you said your TDO or PMO, whatever, right?
Well, it wasn't just that. It was the confluence of 420 getting tapped and giving us a nice rally to the top. Plus the fact that we had a demand zone right here. So it was nice. I think it was very well planned, executed. Originally my plan was 450 getting taken out for London to go to the top. But 450 never got tapped, and that's fine. At least I executed my position. Let's see here.
Okay.
Looking for long still. Entry signal hasn't appeared though. All right, perfect. Segi is still telling us that he's long biased. Segi, I like to believe Segi trades exactly like I do, guys. So I'm gonna use him as my confluence to keep my long bias. I just have to be patient right now.
Okay.
Segi, what confirmation candle are you looking for you to take this long?
I gotta say 5 minutes looking very bearish.
Mm-hmm. I see that.
I'm just hoping we get to that 350 area. So, like, that was where I wanted to take along. But, what anything can happen, guys.
Mm-hmm. We're not fortune cookie tellers. All right, so we're looking at this nice SMT starting to pop up on the 32nd. See here, and we're engulfing already. It just needs to break above PMO for me to say we're going long again. See here.
Yeah, I'm not longing yet, bro.
How's that Mag 7 looking? Keep me updated on that, right?
Like shit.
Oh, shit.
That's why I'm not longing.
I hear you. Let me see here.
If we suddenly go up, it's because everything's gonna flip quickly. But for now, I just think that we're gonna tap Ronnie's target.
Ronnie, where would you suggest us to go long? I mean, I'm sorry, where would you suggest us to go short? If we were looking for short pullbacks.
I don't know. I'm in it at literally like 5:30 my entry. So I don't I have no clue.
Perfectly executed.
Like
Very nice.
I'm
Very lovely shot.
How many minis are you in?
3 micros, Dork.
Oh, okay.
I don't do minis. I don't do
Yes,
minis.
you do. Yes, you do. Don't lie. Yes,
All right,
you
that's
do.
a nice 1 minute pullback, guys. On the 2 minute, that's still clean. Let's see here. I want to pull the trigger, guys. I want to pull the trigger.
For longs.
Our boy's saying, my bad, I can't read the chat. What does it say? 1 minute for value gap above 530, 430, and I'll hop on longs. Segi, just tell me when, bro. Just tell me when to go long. Ah, I should have trusted my gut, guys. I really should have trusted my gut. Jesus. I'm being emotional, guys. I gotta regulate myself real quick. Nice. This where institution was injected here, guys. One, two, and the institution. They trapped all the sellers, squeezed them, and they're going in that direction. That's the way. That's the way the pattern for me works when I see it. And the crazy part is that it's right on the demand of TDO and PMO. That's the crazy part. Anybody take this long, guys? So it's basing to continue to the upside. 436. My boy pulled the trigger quick. I like it, Marcos. Good job, bro. Make sure you break even now, bro. Just break even. It's okay if it takes you out. There's nothing wrong with that, bro. Took a small profit. Nice drop, code. I'm long for 449. Beautiful, Segi. I'm a little late to the move. I want to get closer to this 430. God. It's going to feel the wick of 470s. Above 490, you guys are just holding this for the rest of the day, guys. Eric just took his TP on 110 points short. Nice. That means he's exited out of his shorts and he's long bias, guys. Just letting you guys know that. Ronnie, are you still long or short, baby?
I'm still in my position.
All
So
right.
just
What's your exit plan, if I may ask you, just to kind of have an idea of where you are?
I have like my take profit. I'm just gonna get stopped out at 475 if it gets up there. So it'll be like 55 points profit, which is
Wow,
fine for me.
that's a lot of profit going to waste, babe.
Relax. At least I'm gonna have profits today.
Hey, I got
And
$20. All right, I got $20. I'm just kidding.
I can't see your screen. It's not like loading up for me, so I
Oh,
don't know what you're looking at.
can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
All right, good.
I just have a very old computer. So
Yo, Segi's aiming for 555. I love it. I love it.
nice.
Come on, baby, just give me one quick tap at 437, 440. Take everybody out and go with that direction. Come on. Nah, that's it. Look, the move already happened without me, guys. So what I always tell people is this, right? So when you start looking at the markets, sure, real quick,
Mm-hmm.
you have this basing, this one, two, three, four, and especially that this candle right here specifically is a dragonfly. That gives you an indication that buyers are so strong that the next candle that breaks above or below, it would be like a super strong demand to continue to the upside. If it broke below, then you already know it's manipulation. But definitely the fact that we're already at 460 and holding strong and it's not showing signs of dying on the 5 minute, trust me, guys, you guys are holding this very nicely till the end of the day. I wish I was still in my position. And I don't know why I'm not triggering it, but whatever. I'm gonna sit out on it. I've been emotional with the gold trade. So there's
What
that.
happened?
I took a gold trade of trying to scalp a long, and it took me out to go in my direction, and I lost $240 on one account. So I'm trying not to be emotional about it, but it's taking a small little toll on my psychology. That's why I only took one micro at the first entry that I took. If not, it would have been like 3 or 4.
I got stopped out, by the way.
Yes, ma'am. Kind of told you. Let me see here, guys. So we have a beautiful 3-minute demand continuing to the upside. If you are in this position, guys, please don't close your position. Hold it. Hold it for the name of love. That's going to be a beautiful rally to the top. And I think this time it will break that 530 zone.
Oh, bro, stopped out and then TP.
You got stopped out?
Like, stopped out and then TP.
All good, bro. Look at that 30-minute candle, bro. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
Bro,
Gonzo,
I
talk to
went
me.
long at the pullback at 444.
Oh, shit.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at this
Already
rally,
recouped.
guys. Wow.
My SL is already set to recoup my loss from that.
First
You
trade.
see, you see
Down
when
44.
Gonzo doesn't say anything for like 5 minutes, you know he's in a position.
Yeah, his butt
No,
cheeks are
I
clenching.
went
That's
attack.
you know he's definitely doing something we shouldn't be doing. Loss of 457. Very nice, Panda. Very nice.
The thing is that the stuff I do that I deem risky, I really don't share it, because I don't want
Papo,
people getting screwed because of my riskiness.
Papo, you gotta be sending me a DM. Rigo, I'm long. Forget about everybody else. Oh man. Alright, so here
Come on,
comes.
Hell of
don't be a fake out. Don't be a fake out.
Just take them to the moon, please.
Nah, take it down to like
No,
455.
guys, this is just
So I can't enter.
this would be right here for me. Like they're just retesting resistance to be support. So you see how I always say, if this was the supply, this was supply. Now we already broke this one. All we're doing is coming to retest the zone and then break it, continue up. And if it does die, perfect. At least we know that we're in the wrong direction, and you guys all should be at break even.
Mhm.
If you're
If
all
it
the way in the
dies
bottom,
now,
if you're all the way in the
if it
bottom,
dies now,
go ahead.
Ronnie's gonna be pissed.
Yeah. Imagine 100 points down. She's gonna be like, dang. Eat a trades.
You're funny.
The trading blueprint, guys. So this upcoming Saturday, our girl Ronnie's gonna be hosting her first annual price action test. Testing zones.
Annual.
Seminar.
We're gonna call it annual.
Girl's gonna do a seminar.
Giving us a seminar. Hey, these are nice, guys. These are nice. When we teach people how to trade, we take time of our day to show our passion to others that want to learn. And if you guys are available, please show up. It's really early in the morning, 10 a.m. for Eastern Standard Time. I got stopped on. I moved on.
Baby,
Stop,
go.
stop. Profit is profit. Good job, Sep. How much you make? Like 500? Let's go. Break and retest, baby. Give them their money. I knew it. 500.
Bye-bye. Fly.
That's usually Seth's favorite number, 500.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Let me see here.
Surprise, motherfucker.
That's too funny. Who the hell put all these things in here?
Me.
Gonzo
Oh,
did.
it's Gonzo did it.
Be ready because I have a ton more to upload. So
Do
I'm
it.
gonna do it.
Do it whenever you want. I don't like the tra-la-la. It takes too long.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
That's for you and Ronnie.
It is,
OMG. Uh,
All right, so we look like we have a pit stop, just creating kind of a base on the 2 minute on this zone. If you look at it from the 2 minute, right, we have this huge, nice SMT. Looks like a W. We got the pullback into the demand zone. Hopefully, it doesn't fall below there, and it continues to the upside. So, what I would recommend is you guys put your stop losses like at 452, 450, and you're just breaking even if you're not. At this
2 minute
point,
SMT.
yeah, it's 2 minute SMT, right? At this point, you're just holding your trade, guys. We could be here for hours until it actually moves.
What I like is that what I really like about this long is that Microsoft flip green, Tesla flip green, Nvidia flip green, Apple is trying and close. So yeah, looking good, looking good. There we go. There we go.
There you go.
Light
I'm gonna
it
break even at 513, and then I'm gonna let it ride.
represents among the stars. Jupiter and Mars. In other words.
You seen Frank Sinatra?
Of course, baby. That was my wedding
Whoa,
song.
whoa, whoa, pause.
I'm an
Oh,
old
that's your
school.
wedding song?
I'm old school.
I don't doubt it. Yo, what's your TP, Gonzo?
Moon.
Okay.
My TP is like 100 points up from here.
All right, so we're gonna get this fill of the wick on the 1 hour, guys. If you look at the 1 hour, it's gonna be a super slow zombie walk all the way up, in my opinion. But it's definitely gonna fill with the way that this wick looks from the bottom and the recovery. That's beautiful. It's almost as if they tapped this zone, they just took off from it. They didn't want to fill the whole thing.
I don't like how ES looks right now. Like, ES could reverse, and that's not a good thing.
We only want positive things here, man. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Look at the 2 minutes. It's a nice continuation candle so far. It's nice.
Yes, 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 yes.
Damn, Seth. Are you serious? You're crazy.
What happened?
Seth is in again. He says he's long again.
Nice.
I mean, not nice. He made 500. He should be happy with that.
How long? No, you could risk 100.
Just make sure you have a tight stop loss up. And if you take the L, you take the L and you walk away, all right?
Really need ES to like have a candle body close
All right,
above
guys. So
475.
just to let everybody know, Segi has limit order sells. He has 523 as a TP. He has 559 as a TP, 597 as a TP, and his final TP will be a runner for 679. Wow, beautiful, beautiful,
Wow.
beautiful, beautiful.
Why 523? That's
It's filling this wick, guys. I'm telling you straight up, it is gonna fill the wick. It's just gonna be a really slow kind of like grind up. Once it goes to the fill of the wick, we're running all the way to this area of the supply.
yeah, I really don't like ES.
Let me erase my chart a little bit just so it doesn't look too crazy for you guys. Not bad, guys. I like my chart the way it looks. I can't even delete a lot, honestly. Let's see here, what do I delete? What was that? Delete that. All right, that's as good as it gets. All right.
Alright.
Spot on.
Can you take Olive out?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on tonight's
That's the sound of the
Rumble
bulls
Street.
coming in. Get ready.
Bulls.
These
I
bulls.
feel like we're getting dumped.
You know what? Let's play it one more time for all the bulls.
I grew up with this shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm loving the 5-minute candle. I love this 5-minute candle. All right.
Look at gold, by the way. We have this huge, nice, like, move to the upside. Wow. This is a
Yeah,
W.
gold was.
All right, guys, I'm gonna hop off and go get some breakfast.
Dale, bro. Enjoy.
Yeah, bro.
Who was that?
Stay safe, bro.
I'm gonna fade y'all. I'm entering short.
Did dude leave?
Yo,
No, I'm
who's
still here.
shorting?
Yo, who said that? Yo, who showed it?
Yo,
No.
Matt.
Who said short?
Yo,
Fuck
chill.
off.
Hey, yo.
About to fade y'all. No, I'm kidding.
Don't fade me.
Hey, yo.
Matt about to be
Who's
my
that?
liquidity, bro.
That's
Nah,
Matt.
I'm playing.
He's about to blow his fund.
Come
So
on.
he's trying to short.
Give me 513. I'm long from 475, by the way. My break even is getting edged.
Ooh, you got my la la la.
Ooh.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. Good luck.
Dale, next. How's
Thanks,
it going,
bro. Have a nice bowl of cereal.
Let's go, bulls.
Yo, this is why is it working though?
All right,
Like,
guys. So you guys are at 506. 506. Very nice. Wait, what? What am I looking at? Sup, you went one mini in?
What?
Jeez.
respect.
I logged with 1 mini as well. I'm already 1.2K up.
Let's go. Keep
I'm
holding.
break
Don't
even.
close.
I just want to close, but dude
Don't close.
keeps
Don't
telling me not.
close. Don't close. Don't
Yeah,
close.
keep pumping, keep
Don't
pumping,
close,
keep
don't
pumping,
close.
man. Come on.
Today's the
You
day.
know what?
Today's the day that Gonzo's gonna make $2,000. He's always closing at 1,000.
Bro,
Come on, baby,
1,000
keep
is a
pumping.
lot of money.
Don't close
Yeah,
it,
it is,
Gonzo.
bro.
Don't close it. Do it in the name
Come
of
on, I'm
God.
half, almost there. I'm halfway there to
All right,
TP.
so
Bro. I
this
need
right here
like
is all right. So
30
this right
more
here,
points.
guys, just to let you guys know, if you're a new trader, all right, if you're a new trader, this is where you're trimming your profits and you're gonna let runners go. Okay, one more pump up, and that's where you're trimming. Okay, one more pump up, and that's where you're trimming, and you're letting the runners go. You're not closing your entire position. Talking to Panda.
I'm closing my entire position, bro. I
And
can't
Matt,
lie.
I so
Matt,
want to close.
Matt, this is
I'm so
where
tempted
you're
to
taking that.
close.
Oh, I think you said you shorted, right?
I'm so tempted to close.
Nah. I was kidding. I'm
Alright,
waiting
alright.
for the short though.
All right. Nah,
Yo,
you should-
Gonzo, why don't you just close like half your position?
I don't think this is a short at all. So I hope Ronnie's not trying to short this again.
Because I went with. No, I don't know. I don't want to close.
No, don't close it. You're
Okay,
good,
fair
bro.
enough.
You're good. You're good. Guys, I gave you the
Just-
TPs for the week. Look at this. I gave you the TPs, guys. TP1, TP2.
My SL is already at 800, so fuck it. I'm gonna leave it run.
Yeah,
So,
you're gonna
TP
make
or SL.
800. You're gonna make 800 and feel like, wow, great, $800. Or you're gonna feel like, damn, yes, I made $200. I mean, $2,000. You know, like it's a huge feeling, bro. It's especially when you are always taking that. You're always taking profit so early, dog. Like for real. So like,
Because it's a lot of money.
if I'm gonna drive you guys to make a little bit extra money, I'm gonna make sure you guys hold that. Like I'm literally staying here until you guys make $2,000.
Bro, are you in longs? Dude.
No, I'm not. I told you guys from the very beginning. I had a small little dilemma with gold, and that messed up my
Oh, yeah.
psychology. So I
Small
wanted
little
Fair
dilemma.
enough.
Me and Gold were fighting. We had a small talk about it, but we're on good terms now.
Yeah. No, for me, guys, I'm telling you straight up, I'm not in a rush to get funded. I'm at peace. I'm at peace. I want to be happy. You know, I want to get it slow and steady, and I'm happy with that. Every day I'm
No.
printing a lot, guys. Every day I'm telling you guys what to do, and I'm not even taking those positions, and it's fine. It's fine. I'm chilling. My time will come. Come on, baby. Give him this 50 points. Move up. Let's go. Let's break to the 580s. Come on.
Not 50.
I
I want
just
80
just
more.
need 30 more points. All right, I just need 30 more points.
Nah, bro, you need to go to that 580, bro. Have a set stop loss where you're okay taking that profit, but if it gives you that little pump, you know, get the little Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang theme song.
And my stop loss is 20 points down from here, so we're good. We're good. We're still good.
Sleepy, how we doing on your trade? I want to know where you're at.
I gotta give thanks to Ronnie because using her analysis and her strategy, I entered right at the top for that short.
Oh, you're fading us?
Good job, Sleepy.
Nice.
No!
Good
Bad
job.
Sleepy.
Good
Bad
job.
Panda.
How's your liquidity, bro? Yeah. Good for you.
I'm gonna
Second
take
stop
away
loss is still
all the
408.
shit.
Oh, snap.
No bamboo for Sleepy Panda. Bad
Nope.
Panda.
Ay, Panda.
Oh my gosh. I gotta go, you guys. I'll be back. I have to go take Cora to school.
It's okay. Enjoy your morning. Be safe.
Bye, Ronnie.
All right, Panda.
No, don't come
Panda's
down.
fading you guys, so please, please, guys, just say a prayer for her because she's gonna get destroyed. Ay, Panda. Panda, you know what the beautiful part is? That you took the trade, you took the assertiveness to take it, and I know you have proper risk management, so you're gonna be fine. Where's your stop loss though?
Where my TP is, hopefully.
Yo. Gonzo's on some beast mode today, bro.
Panda, what's your Panda?
Ruthless.
I'm only going for a small profit, so I put my stop at the 15-minute orb, the top of the 15-minute orb.
Just give me the number. I don't know what that is at the moment. I haven't checked.
That's a lovely voice, Panda, you have there. That's a lovely voice.
Thank you. 548.
548, perfect. All right, guys. So we're
So
gonna.
far, I'm at 50 ticks right now.
548. All right, guys. So here's where Panda's gonna be meeting us.
Wait, 548 is your
If
stop?
she's wrong. If she's wrong.
I'm
Yo,
going
five-
to
yo.
I'm going to be moving it as my trade goes more into profit though.
All right, perfect. That's
Yo,
beautiful.
548
That's
is
what I
my
wanna hear.
TP, bro.
548.
Don't cut back down.
Oh shit.
It's a valid zone, Panda. I don't want to fear you out of that. You know, like it's a valid zone that you could get a nice short.
Yeah, it is.
It's very valid. It's tapped multiple times that it's came back down. It's just the way that it looks
No!
from the higher time frame. It's hard to believe that it will come flushing down all the way back.
We're
I'm
gonna
not
have a
looking
few
for a
down
major
candles
sell.
now.
I'm just trying to maybe secure like maybe 100 ticks and get out.
That's nice. That's
We're
nice.
going down
He's
now.
gonna stop
Like
me
we've
out. He's gonna
had
stop
so
me
many
out.
5-minute up
Hey,
candles.
our girl
He's
Panda
gonna
got.
stop me out.
Did our girl Panda get the tick? She's the 2 tick god now. Let's go, guys. I'm
Gonna
happy
stop
for
me
her.
out.
I'm happy for her because she's new and she's executing her trades without any fear. So that's amazing. And she was taught
Fuck! I got stopped out.
she was taught by the best, guys. She was taught by our girl Ronnie. Nice job.
Bad Panda. He stopped me.
It's all right. It's
We
all right.
needed
How do you
a down candle.
how do you feel, Gonzo? Talk to us.
I feel that it's gonna keep going up.
I hope you're right, Gonzo.
This is group therapy.
You know why I know? You know why I know? Because it kicked me out. That's why I know.
Gonzo's like, I'm never listening to Rico.
Gonzo's gonna get back in now. Full port longs.
Gonzo, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet.
Don't do it yet.
Yet.
Yes, he did, sir.
Yeah.
He did. He kept a number clear that he wanted it to make sure he didn't lose entirely. So good for him. He made $800. He's happy.
Yeah, I know. I don't like leaving that much money on the table. I don't care if this flies out now.
How much did you lose on profits?
I was up 1.6K, so I ended up leaving half.
God.
Fucking shit.
Because I listen to you.
Ah! My bad, Gonzo. You should have trimmed up there, brother. You should have trimmed.
Don't worry, bro. 800 is still 800.
800 still 800. That's
All right,
right.
if the 5-minute candle closes at 494, I'm closing my trade.
I'm proud of Sleepy, you guys.
Me too.
I'm
You
in
did
the
a
car,
beautiful
but I'm
trade.
watching the chart. And I'm proud of you, if you can hear me.
We hear you loud
Don't
and
look
clear.
Yes,
at the
thank you
chart
so
while
much. It's
driving.
because of your strategy.
Hey.
Don't look at the
No
chart while
problem.
driving.
Okay, I'm gonna hang up again. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that.
And we say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And now it's dying, and Sleepy Panda is making bank.
Hard to trend when you only have 1 minute. That's right, Seth. That's why I don't like using minis and I only use micros.
Just use 10 micros, bro.
Exactly. Same thing, Seth.
All right, I think we can pop now.
Yeah, it's starting to look very promising.
Let's
But look,
see. Let's see.
VWAP is at 478, so we could go all the way down there if it wants. We're getting some kind of reaction at 491.
Ooh, Tesla's getting hammered again.
So it's looking red.
Don't give me the bad news, Gonzo.
Oh, 15-minute.
Feed my delusions.
15-minute wick candles gonna get filled.
Tesla, Apple, and Google are getting hammered, but Microsoft is pumping hard. Nvidia is holding for dear life. So
Come on, Nvidia, pump.
it's do or die right now, bros. Do or die.
It's definitely a tricky zone, because if you invert the chart on the 1 minute, we have that W that I always talk about with the
Fuck, Nvidia just flipped red.
with the base.
If you're longing, you better secure profits.
I don't like what you're telling me, Gonzo.
It's a valid zone.
I don't like what I'm seeing either. What do you tell you? Do you
It's a
want me to
valid
lie
supply
to
zone.
you?
All right, pump.
See the
We're gonna
stocks.
pump now.
Give my
We're
boys
actually
their
gonna
dub.
pump now.
Give my boys their dub, please.
Come on.
Let me call the market makers, bro. One sec.
Just call people and tell them to start buying stocks, not selling them. And that's okay.
Let me call the JP Morgan, bro. Hold up.
Hold on. Our girl Panda's telling us something. It tapped the 1 minute fair value gap, so I'm waiting for a reaction. What reaction? You getting stopped out or going for full TP?
Here, Panda already
I see
got out.
what 1 minute fair value gap she's talking about.
I see what she's talking about. I see what she's talking about.
I'm hoping to get inversed.
I see.
Let's see. We have 20 seconds.
I see what she's talking about. But isn't this what Andrea talks about all the time, being like a block or something like that? Andrea, talk to me here. What do you see on the 1 minute?
I'm on the 1 minute now. I'm looking at it. I do see an order block at 501.
And this is supposed to be a bullish
Order
or
block
bearish?
going up. A bullish.
Okay. All right, guys.
I
You
see a
guys are still
bullish.
holding. You guys are still holding. Every time
Yeah, we're still
Andrea talks
holding.
about this, it always goes in that direction.
I'm holding to 604.
This is a long ass long, bro. I've never been in a trade for this long.
Hey, welcome to the club, brother. You keep all I hear Monk say is, "All right, guys, I'm out. TP hit. Peace out." Yo, I'm gonna make a clip of all of our videos. All I hear is Monk saying, "All right, guys, I'm out."
I'm out. I see you tomorrow. Go to bed. And then you find out he went out to party and it's 6 a.m. and he's still up.
Oh, Lord. No. And then he says, "I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired." And then I see him up at 1 p.m.
Yeah. Yesterday at my 5 o'clock, he sent that text saying, "Okay, now I'm going to bed."
Too funny.
Yo, allow me, bro. I was just chilling.
All right, guys. So Panda's already out of her play, so we can make money, guys. Let's go, markets. Give my people their money. I can make $0 today, guys, and I'm gonna be so happy for all of you guys making money. Let's
Wait,
go.
where was your first TP? 5 what?
My first TP was 550.
Okay.
Like, you see this green zone that I have here?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like us taking out right here. Look, this right here.
Yeah.
And then
I see it.
hoping for that pump. Look at the pump. Oops, what am I doing? I'm looking for the
Just
pump
want
into
ES
this.
to
You see this right here? You see
close.
this right here? There's nothing
Yeah.
stopping this. Like once we're in this zone, all it does is just supposed to run up into supply. So there's nothing stopping that. So this is why I said hold, 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 hold. It's just a critical point that we've already tried to break multiple times, that this is the time. This is the time, guys. Like right now. Look at
It's
this.
now or never.
When you
I
see, guys,
really hit the close on
guys, when you
ES.
see
Yeah,
this,
my bad.
when you see this, guys, that means it's super strong. It's like a bullet. It's rapid fire. Momentum is strong. The only thing you're seeing that goes slow is because of this thing right here. Once we break the resistance here, then you're just flying around here. Don't ask me why. That's exactly what happens. This is why I wanted. This is why I wanted Gonzo to hold that trade the whole time.
We need the body. We need the body close over 530.
Yeah, we really do.
It's happening slowly.
Yeah, it's gonna be a slow zombie walk, and because again, this is a critical point that has been a supply zone, that everybody that is looking to enter here for supply is gonna get trapped as it goes up. That's the way I see it. The good thing is that our girl Panda got the first leg and she got it. She got it clean.
Yeah. Okay.
That's not quite all.
That's not good. What are the Max 7 doing, guys?
Shit in the bed.
Oof.
Is Trump talking or what, bro?
I don't think so, brother. I would have seen that already. No.
I'm loving the rejection though. Damn.
Max 7 are actually doing the same as everything, you know. They're still fighting. It's not like they're dying or anything like that.
I love this 1 minute candle right now. It's looking bullish.
For who?
I take that back. I humbly
That is
take
bullish.
that back. Yeah, no. I take it back.
Okay, so at 10:36, the reason why the market kind of pumped, it was because of Trump's Fed nominee. There's
Yeah, what website is that?
This is Finwiz.
Can you send it in the chat?
Of course, guys. I'll send you guys everything I have. So these are all links you guys should all have, so you could easily see why any reactions happen. See here.
She wants to go higher.
If you guys don't have this, please bookmark them and have them ready for yourselves. Anybody want the Bible? Here you go. See here. That's about it. Futures, PTS. Yeah, that's about it.
This fucking area right here at 520, man, is
No, it's
really need a big
it's like I
body
said, it's
over
trapping.
530.
I believe it's trapping sellers, guys. I believe it's trapping sellers. Who's Futures Ninja? Hey, Future. Let's see here. Still think SPY is cutting over. Yo, Marcos, you still holding your position? My boy's up like 500, I bet. Let me look at gold one more time while we're here.
Come on, Nvidia, flip green. There you go. Flip green.
Damn, that was a nice recovery on gold. Wow.
Yeah, gold was bound for a retrace, bro. Just Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday was all pump. Go, baby, go.
All right, guys. So you guys are still holding your positions. I'm telling you, 550 is a very reasonable, and let it pump all the way to 600. And there would be our TP. Damn, what a beautiful day, guys. What a beautiful day to sit out and just miss out on these profits. What an amazing day.
I'm long from that big ass wick down.
501.
Oh, never mind. I guess I'm break even. I guess I'm break even.
Yeah, you don't want to enter there, Matt. You never want to enter there. So the reason why you never want to enter there is because of the fact that it's not a zone that gives you any buy confirmations. You're just you're getting trapped inside the chop. So the only way you would enter this position at all is if you tap kind of like 480s because it's close to the VWAP. We have a gap, and at the same time, you want some kind of confirmation, not just enter blindly. Just because it looks like it'll go up doesn't mean that it's gonna go up. Just be cautious of that for the future.
Shit.
Yeah, this was the 5 minute pulling us down.
Notice how we have like this 460, 470 zone. That would have been a clean entry. Like if you're there, you're holding that at break even and you're just hoping for that pump. And if it takes you out, it takes you out. It is what it is. But do secure profits, guys. Do secure profits. We are at a critical point that if we don't break this at any moment, we're just going down.
This next leg up doesn't close above 530. I'm closing my trade. I'm calling it.
Yeah.
Where was your original TP, by the way, Monk?
548.
Okay.
Either we go and break it now, or it's gonna die down back for sure.
I mean, the 15 minute is holding strong.
Yeah, for now, yeah. But it needs to break this fucking 520, 530 area, man.
This
Once and for all.
Yeah.
As long as it goes above 520 close on the 15 minute, we're good. Because again, this fill of order right here, this wick is gonna be the one that's gonna get filled. Oh, future ninja just joined the server. That's what it was. I'm like, who the heck is that? Yo, Arnav, what is AI telling you to do on this trade? I know you were talking about a new AI tool you found on TradingView. And think about it, guys. It's 119 points. That's
Yeah, bro, it's
119
a massive
points.
drop. So
That's
if
a
you're
massive
closing,
play. If you're closing here, you don't feel bad about anything. If you're closing here just
anything
to end the
above,
day here,
anything above 40 points is massive. So
I'm gonna wait for that 15-minute candle first.
what I think that could happen is the hourly close and open take us a bit down and then tries again to break the 530.
nah, this right here is this to me right here is a reversal signal. This right here, it goes like that.
No, don't say that.
No, no, it's good for you because you're long.
Go up, bro, not a reversal down.
It's good for you because you're long.
How's it reversal if it's still going up?
So one of the things when I mean, okay, so
Said
right
it
now
when the candle was down.
this candle's going down. It's trapping people to go short. When I see this pattern specifically, it always goes back up, like in the direction that, for example, let me show you. It'll go like this, or it'll be something like this. Oops. I know it's silly. It sounds silly, but it's one of those things where I've observed it multiple times.
Break it. Break it for my boys.
10 seconds to the 15-minute close. I love this 15-minute close. If we
Here,
can stay up here,
look at it right
we're
here.
gonna pump.
Look right here.
Go, 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 go. Nicely done.
Same
Yeah,
pattern
I
right
like
there.
that.
That was a nice close for longs.
There you go, guys. Get your little pump.
I'm gonna put my stop loss at 488, so I'll get a little. I'm only in 3 micros anyway.
Or you could just go to sleep and let it just do what it has to do, and maybe you end up waking up to 700.
Nah, I'm good.
Oh snap! All right,
There you go.
so
This is
Monk,
what I
Monk,
want.
why don't you do
This is
this, Monk?
one.
Why do you
Come
do
on.
this, Monk? Why do you do this? Because I want to see you get extra TP. Why don't you try putting, as soon as you hit 540 or whatever it was that you wanted it, why don't you put your stop loss at 530? As soon as it goes to 540 something, whatever it is, and you risk those 10 ticks of profits for it to give you another 100. Why don't you look at it like that?
I was considering doing that.
All right,
I'm not gonna lie, but
you
like
walk away.
I'm down 200 today, so
It doesn't matter.
I want to
Listen,
secure my profits.
think about it like this. It doesn't matter. $200 is $200. You know how to trade. The point is, you either lose those 10 points of what, worth of $50, $70, maybe, and you make maybe $200-300 extra, putting you in green for the day more. I don't know. That's just me, man. I'm trying to talk you into doing something that might be beneficial.
I'll test it out. Yeah, you know what I'll do instead? I'll just leave my long tool overnight, so I can see if it hit my overnight profits.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'll test it out first, and then I'll actually like forward test it.
Cool. I think that would be perfect. It's just, I'm telling
Now
you,
if I
bro.
can just get a fucking pump, bro. 20 points.
I'm telling you straight up. I make you an example to everybody here that I'm like, yo, it's not about just closing because of the TP. It's closing above and beyond to get, that extra. Like the more you hold a trade, the more your psychology actually grows as a trader, and you start maturing to be like okay with seeing like $700 go back to 400 to see it go back to 1,000. It comes with time,
That's
though.
true, that's true.
It comes with time. It's not something that just happens overnight.
Very true.
Look at that 5 minute. It's beautiful. It created a base to continue to the upside with a strong demand, and it's just gonna keep rallying. At this point, Sleepy Panda would have been in a big L at the moment.
Yeah, that's why she scalped it. And she
I'm
was
so beautiful. I'm
small.
so glad that she scalped and she knew how to exit. That's a good one. So not only did she learn from Ronnie, but she took the assertiveness to execute plus secure profits. Good job, Bandit. That was really good.
This trade
Come
is
on,
so
man. Don't
freaking
break
long.
it just to stay here. If you're gonna break it, fucking break it. Don't break it to just stall.
Yo, I remember when I was like a 15-second chart trader, bro. I used to like hit TPs in like 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes. Now I'm here for like an hour in one trade.
Yeah, but it's more
Yeah,
safe.
it's much more safe. That's why I abandoned it.
It's satisfying. It makes you a better trader.
Yeah, it's like the 15-second chart is satisfying.
Mm-hmm. And not only that,
Yeah,
think about it like this: you have this eval that you're trading on, right? And you have another eval. You're trading one as a swing, and you're trading one as a pullback entry with a full mini. And you're like, yes, I just made $500 in like 2 minutes or whatever. I don't know. You should know, like every time you see what you see here, you should be knowing how to get in and getting out. I know it sounds hypocritical to say that because I'm not doing nothing. And most of the times I sit on my hands, but again, I like to hold myself accountable because Ronnie has been talking to me a lot about how my trading habits are not ideally healthy for the reasons that yes, do I make a big P&L, but then I end up losing it back. So the desperation of wanting more and more and more is one thing that I'm working on. That as I sit on my hands more and more, it allows me to see all the vast amount of opportunities that I can take and journal and really say, hey, you know what? I know what I'm doing. I just gotta execute. And I don't know why. I feel fear when it's small instead of it like full size. It's so weird. It's so weird.
Honestly, like it does suck because I know if I used 1 minute, like I would have passed my combine in 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Like I know that, but I'm using micros solely to like build the habit of not giving a fuck about money. Because honestly, like I changed my TP and my SL, like the values, I changed it to points instead of like dollar value. That was legit the best decision I've ever made. Like I don't set TPs based on dollars now. I just set it based on where it's supposed to be.
As
Very
it
nice.
should be. You never set it because of money. You set it because of the candles and the chart and the structure, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Like I couldn't do that when my TPs and SL was in dollar value. And it was tough. But you know, we learn and we fix whatever we fuck up.
There we go.
If I can just get my fucking TP, bro, please.
You're gonna get your TP. Relax, calm down.
Not get it.
I
You're
want to
gonna
go to
get it.
sleep, bro.
He's gonna get it.
I mean,
You're gonna
like,
get it.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this wick. It's getting filled right now, guy. And more. I bet you move your TP up to 580. You're gonna see it in 2 minutes there.
oh my god, bro. It's been like, yo, I got in this trade at 10.25, bro. 10.25. Like 72 points though. Like that's really,
Yeah.
that's good for me.
It's all good, bro. It's all good in the hood. Let's see here. I just saw Gold write somewhere. Where did he write? I don't see his thing. Oh, Gold in the chat here. Thanks, DoodTrading. I took your call and made 250 on PA. Thanks, everyone. I'm learning. Hey, Gold. Congrats, bro. On personal account. Sheesh. Let's go. That's awesome, man.
Nice, bro.
What the fuck? Why is it dying now?
We're reacting from that daily high again.
Fucking highs. Just let it go up for my boys.
For real, bro. Nah, like ES needs to pump. ES is the one that's holding us back. Nasdaq is ready to like,
Fly.
you know, yeah. ES is just consolidating.
You're doing amazing, Panda.
Yo, one of my mentors just posted a video like they fucking made 28K in one trade. And that's like his smaller trades. Shit's crazy, bro.
What's her name?
Sorry?
What's her name? The mentor.
His TJR, bro.
Oh, TJR. Yeah. I watch a lot of his videos.
TJR.
Good guy. I like him.
His trade recaps are really helpful.
Yeah, he lives over here in Miami, I think, in Puerto Rico as well.
Really? Wait, you live in Puerto Rico?
No, I live in Miami. He lives in Miami. He lives in Brickell. He's like probably like 15 minutes away from where I live.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Yo, I gotta come to Miami one day, bro. I gotta see what the hype is about.
Slide through. I mean, we can make a group trip if you guys all want to come.
Yo, I'm down, bro.
That'll be for 2026, you know?
You're just gonna see a bunch of BBLs, stuff like that.
Yeah, that's all the more reason to come, bro.
I like natural. I like natural.
Within the next like 5 minutes, I should hopefully get my TP. I need a candle close over 535 because right now we're rejecting that zone.
Yo, Pozo, you take any trades today?
Oh yeah, I scalped a couple earlier.
Nice. How much you make today?
Including evals, like 17.
Sheesh. My girl's
I
on a
don't.
roll.
That's not real money though.
I know, but still, girl, sheesh. You know, for you to click that button, I'm over here hesitating, man.
Trying to think of. I haven't done my totals on my lives yet. We'll just go 2, 4, 6. Like I'm probably like 8.
What's the size of those accounts? Like 200, 300K?
150s.
Nice. So what you have? You have like 10 accounts in total or what?
No, I have 5 with Take Profit Trader.
Nice.
They won't give me any more.
Oh, they put you in the blacklist already?
No, but you can only have 5 with them.
I was about to say, geez. You know,
5 lives anyway.
I heard some firms like don't allow you to take any more profits or anything like that after a certain amount of time. Profitable traders is what they say. You know, they give you excuses of not paying out or whatever.
Yeah, no, I haven't had any issues with Take Profit. I love them.
Nice.
Hmm.
Isn't that the firm that allows you to get payouts like the next day?
Oh yeah. Same. Well, yeah. They say same day payouts, but it's not actually same day because it takes like you have to get them approved. So by the time they approve the payout and then they transfer your money out of your account and then you request for the payout to actually hit your bank, it's more like 24 to 48 hours. Yes, NASDAQ roll. I took this short and I probably shouldn't have, but I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah, she's going down.
Ooh.
I also took
Yeah,
it.
we're gonna die, boys.
Ooh.
Go, dive, baby. Go.
What made you take the short? What made you take the short?
We were rejecting yesterday's high.
Yeah, we rejected twice and then just didn't want to go.
Wow.
Mama wants a new pair of shoes. Let's go.
Mama can buy 18 pairs of new
Hey,
shoes.
Monk. Did you exit?
You want to know how many pair of shoes I have? I have 2. I just bought my second pair. I'm not even joking. I have 2 pair of shoes. Oh, wait, and 2 pairs of really cheap flip-flops. And I'm out. That was good enough for me.
It's nicely done.
Oh, I know. I was on 2 contracts too. I was like, yes. Yes.
Micros or minis?
Minis.
Woo!
She's a mini.
Minis. Sorry.
Say it with me. Say it with me, Gonzo. Degenerate.
Yeah, I'm
No.
a degen.
No.
She's a
Sorry.
profitable degen. She's a
Degenerate
profitable degen.
depends on the size of your account. If you have 150K, using minis is all right.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I'm lucky at degen though. I took the short, but I didn't take my second contract. Just 1 mini. On an Evo though. If it's an Evo, it's alright.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, because you can just fix those real quick. Be like, and I blew it, and here's some more money to the prop firm.
Exactly.
Did y'all get that email about Top Step now letting you purchase buying back
your funded?
Yes. I'm like, really? The 40 million a month in evals wasn't enough for you?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be dropping $500 to open up my funded again.
No.
I'd rather just buy another combine.
Exactly, because they only technically you can do it in 2 days if you hit it exactly.
Yeah, that's what I did. I did 2 $1,500 days.
Yep, that's exactly what I did.
I think we're gonna drop hard, boys.
What's the Max 7 looking like?
Shit. Again.
Monk, did you take out already your profits or what?
Nvidia flip red hard.
Oof.
Yeah, we're definitely dropping, boys.
Yo, I was muted the whole time.
What? Well, welcome back.
Ronnie,
that spike up, I took a short.
Ronnie, talk to me. What are you doing on the trades? She's quiet. I hope she's not in the short.
I keep forgetting that dude has his charts inverted.
Yeah, I have the reason why I have my charts inverted, guys, is because I like to see W's and M's, and the way I see the M and W's help me see my zones easier. So I don't stress out when I see this being a short. I just switch my brain to think this is buys. I don't know why. It's so weird. It's just the way
No, I
trade.
actually flipped and went long, so nobody follow me. Degen.
You're long at the moment.
How many minis?
I could see that. I could
Two.
see that for this. Look, you see this right here?
But I'm
Bless
already
your
at break
soul.
even, so it's a free trade.
I can see that. You just need to be careful at 522, 525.
Pozo, is that how you say your name?
Yeah, that's me.
Are you trading on like what time frame are you on?
15 second.
15 second. Wow. Okay.
Yeah, we have imbalances to 525 actually, so that's my take profit. Oh, they tagged me out. Just kidding. Cool. So I was like, I don't know. I'm good with that. I trail my stops really tight. Last thing I want to do is take a green day to a red day, you know?
Yeah, sure.
Especially after I said I was done trading at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's an hour and 15 minutes.
15
past
minutes
that.
ago. Yeah. Well, no, for me it was 15.
Yeah, for you.
I told you guys from the beginning this was gonna be a long stream, guys. I hope everybody got breakfast because I don't have breakfast. See.
I got some breakfast and I took a walk, so we're in a good mental state.
I have a massive breakfast because I'm always awake before you, lazy bastards.
Oh snap! Ronnie called me, and I was
I'm
still in bed
always
when she called
awake
me.
before all of you.
Well, that's what you get because you live in Mars, bro.
Yo, I'm in the future right now.
All right, so there's that 520, 525 that Pozo was
The
talking about.
W is made.
Yeah, I was gonna post it in here.
You wanna? Yo, Matt, you're there?
How's that Max 7 looking, Gonzo?
Yeah, they're bouncing. Thank God I used a very small TP on my short. I went degenerate on it. I used 40 lots and made 15 points.
Nice.
You shorted that?
Yeah, for 15 points.
He shorted the
Bro.
momentum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for $400. And now you want to know what? I went long with 20 lots. And my SL is already a profit, so fuck it.
So kind of to
Yeah, yeah,
explain
me
to you
too.
guys. So kind of to explain to you when you guys are thinking 15, 10 points. Remember, guys, 4-3 minis on 10, 15 points. It's a lot of money. You're looking at $500-600
A
easy.
lot of money.
It's a
Yeah.
lot of money. So when you have 3 minis, 4 minis, anything like that, you're looking at a tight stop loss immediately. It almost has to be like if you're in and you're putting that break even right away. You know, so
Fly me to the
if you're ever
moon.
seeing momentum drop the way they dropped from this critical point right here, and then it picked up like some kind of support, you're exiting that right away. You're not waiting to see, oh no, I'm gonna get 1,000.
Yeah.
My brother, you're at
It's
600
quick
bucks.
fire.
What? You know?
When you do minis and scalping 15, 20 points, it's quick fire. You go in and out, in and out. And you look at the profit later. You don't look at the profit in the moment. When I do this, scalping like small movements, I'm not even looking at my P&L. I'm just closing based on what the candle's doing. That's it. Then after I close, I see what I got. If we break
Gonzo.
the China, she fly. Yeah.
Can you send the trading view of the Max 7? I think that's what
which
you
one you
use,
want?
right?
Yeah, which one you want?
Just just like the overview of all of them.
I can't give you all of them because they don't fit on the screen, but I'll give you the biggest four.
Yeah, the biggest four is usually what you need, honestly. Check this out, guys. We have this 3-minute nice dump back to recovery and engulfed. This is only continuation to 600. Is Monk still here? Yeah, Monk is still here.
Yeah.
Monk, you're going for 600, bro. I'm sorry, bro, but you're going for 600.
I'm out.
Ah.
Yeah, tough.
It's all good. It's all good. That little dump was a little scary, to be honest with you. But if there's anybody holding this shit, You're still holding this to 600, in my opinion.
I went long again, bro.
I'm
Nah,
holding
nah,
this.
it's not yet, not yet. Above like this zone, you need to be very careful. It's gonna be a slow crawl walk up, I believe.
We're too stretched out already.
Where's
We need
Debbie?
a
Here's I sent it on the chat, the Max 7.
Debbie's long
On the
from
chat.
423, guys. Wow, amazing.
How do you view that in trading view, Gonzo?
Do you have paid trading view?
I do not. I just have the free version.
You're gonna have delayed view. I think if you don't pay it, you're gonna see 10-minute delay. But
Oh, fuck that.
how do I look? What 4 at a time?
I was just wondering how you got multiple views like that, but you have the
see
paid
them?
version, so.
Yeah, if you go on, if you open trading view and you go the top toolbox, you know, the one is on the top, the horizontal top, you're gonna see right at the, you see that you have like one arrow to the right and one arrow to the left.
Mm-hmm.
To the top, to the right of that, you're gonna see a square block, Click that with the layout setup, and you have multiple options to see many stuff at once. Sorry that I struggle sometimes, but English is not my first language.
You speak very clear. Don't worry.
You speak good English, bro.
Speak phenomenal English.
Dude, it's happening again. I want to take profit. What
Watch
should
out.
I do?
You're gonna hold that. You're
I
gonna
went
hold
wrong.
that. Nothing's gonna scare you.
You're gonna take profit in full port shorts now.
No. If this hits TP, I'm done, bro. I'm done for the day.
What?
Yeah, I'm already done for the day.
No, guys, if anybody's long here, you're holding to 600, 650. Literally, I'm not lying. It's
We're gonna have to see.
You're
We're
holding.
gonna see what happens at 548.
Guys, once we break 580, 570s, we're only flying into the 640. There's
If
nothing
we break
here.
548, I think we're gonna go up.
How up?
I don't know. I know you like to talk about the moon, but I don't know if I can guarantee that.
I'll catch y'all tomorrow, bro. Bye.
Dale, Monk. Have a good one, bro.
See ya, bro.
Yeah, you guys stay safe.
Take care.
40 more points. 40 more points. Give me 40 more points. Moon that sucker. Moon it.
I'm full porting shorts as soon as it hits 548. Tights up.
I believe 548 is the daily high, right?
Oh, there you go. Fast wicks.
Wow,
There's
we
the
hit
daily
it.
high right there.
We hit it.
Fly, bitch, fly.
548 has been hit. Now, are we gonna go past that, or are we gonna end up pretty bearish?
I don't know, but I'm moving my SL because I am not leaving money on the table.
Okay, no. ES is taking. ES is pump.
What's the S doing? Sorry.
Max 7 are pumping too. Again, so we could go all the way up now.
I'm actually looking at 516. I know, sounds crazy.
516.
Yeah, 514 or 516. Sounds crazy.
Yo,
I'll just wait.
Marcos, are you here or you're not really here, bro? I want to know what you're doing.
When Marcos is quiet, we all get scared.
No. I'm just making sure he doesn't do 50 micros, you know? Let's see here.
Has anybody had a problem have this problem before? So I placed a sell trade, just one mini, just to test it out, and I can't get my I can't see my profits or any of those bars.
What platform?
Top Step.
Oh God.
You guys should really, guys, you should not use Project X, bro. It's the worst platform ever. Just use. Yes, you can use Ninja Trader. What do you mean you don't have a
Top Step's update only allows Top Step X now.
You're
You
kidding.
can't use any other platform.
Yeah, that's why I closed all my accounts with them.
Project X is so scammy, bro. So scammy.
This could be a micro W on the 15-second to pick up.
Well, my bars won't even show up right now, so I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do.
Oh God. Can you close?
Yeah, I can click flatten all, which I did, but I'm afraid to like click buy and sell now because I can't see anything.
Log out and log in again. It's happened
Yeah, let
to
me
me.
try that. No, I don't see anything. Let me log out and log back in. All right, let's see. I'm just gonna buy one micro right now. No, I still can't see it.
Don't do anything, bro.
That sucks.
There's a W on the 15 seconds. So if you're going long, you're gonna go long here. Super tight stop loss 534, 533. You're looking for a hopeful nice push to 557-ish with a small pullback and continuation to the upside.
No pullbacks. No pullbacks. Just moon it. Don't give me pullbacks.
I'm short.
Me too.
I'm fading.
This 3-minute candle looks like it's just gonna keep going to the upside.
Well, if it takes me out, I'm taking another 500 home, so fuck it. I don't care. Argentina. Yeah.
I want to visit there so badly.
You wanna come here?
That was actually that was my getaway plan. Yeah. If I wanted to leave the US. Yeah, if I wanted to leave the US, I had my passport ready and I was ready to book it to Argentina.
Okay. Which part? You have no idea.
Probably Buenos Aires.
Well, that depends on what you want, really. Buenos Aires
Yeah.
is chaos.
Crazy. Well, it would just be getting in the country. That was when Biden was in control though, so leave politics out of it, but that was my backup plan.
It depends on what you want, really. If you are like big cities and stuff, yeah, stay in Buenos Aires. If you want to be around less people, like I do, I just
Nice
stay away.
push.
Gonzo, break even now, brother.
What?
Break even now if you're in long. I think you said you were long.
Yeah. I'm still in. No, bro, I'm selling profits for a while now.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
My bad. But put your stop loss at 540, by the way. That's where you would put your stop loss, in my opinion.
It's exactly there.
Oh, perfect.
I put it at 538, but yeah, it's there.
No, because what I'm seeing is the fact that we have some sort of like resistance here without it rallying up the way it should, that I've always observed. This can come back really easy, take out 527 to then come back up.
If that happens, I'm relonging it.
That's right.
Because I'm still. Nice.
Let's go. Push him. Let's get that 600, guys.
Just barely tap standard deviation too.
I want to make 500 more.
That's a nice 3-minute close. The 3 minutes is going to continue. Come on, just go. Run it.
Also, if you tell me you're shorted, I'm going to be.
No, I'm not sure.
Nobody said. No, oh my God, why?
You're fine. I run like super tight risk.
I shorted in Brokey.
You guys, don't fade me. I'm so close.
I'm not fading you. I'm fading everybody else. Sorry, just kidding.
Don't worry about me. I still can't see shit on my screen.
I just want another $500. That's all.
Bro, have you tried using it from the mobile, or is the same?
Let me hop on mobile. It does suck, but it works.
Yeah, but you can still do something at least.
You have to tap on it and then move it.
Yeah, you need to hold it.
Yeah.
You guys realize?
So yes, I can see everything on my mobile, which is weird.
Yeah, because Project X sucks, bro. And I'm out. It just took me out.
Yeah, I just saw it hit 540. Dump
I know.
it. Now he's out. Dump it. Do pose us a
Also,
favor.
You,
What?
I was so close and you faded me.
Oh, it's not my fault. Come on. I only want 500 more, right?
Yeah, but still, I was super close to my TP. So close.
Come on. 15,
Now dive
15,
back to
15.
2620s and I will relong your ass.
Fucking dump it.
I know. I love these days when it's just like, oh, like she's being my best girlfriend today.
Money days.
My best girlfriend. She taking me out to, oh, okay, I got wicked out. That's okay.
Give me
I didn't get my
500.
500. I only got like 300. Whatever. Ones I buy are like $100. Brooks for life. Right? I know.
You haven't eaten since 4 a.m.?
Only had coffee. I haven't.
Yeah, you should grab something to eat, bro. I woke up at 5:30 and ate by 5:45, 9:45, and I'm about to have lunch now. Where you are?
Seems we're just chopping
Central,
up.
aren't you?
Where you guys at?
Houston.
Okay,
10:30.
to make it easy for you guys now, right now I'm 1 hour ahead of New York. Yeah,
Wait,
1 hour ahead.
really?
Yeah, and I'm always the same. I don't switch at any point in the year. You guys are the one who switch.
Hey, I'm ready for them to do away with that.
Yeah, for real. To be honest with you, it's annoying.
Yeah, but I get it though, because especially in the US, you guys are very wide as a country, so you take up a lot of time zones. So it actually makes sense for you to have different time zones. But we are more thin to the wide side. We are more to the tall side, as a country. So it doesn't make sense here to have multiple time zones.
No, the time
And I
zones
get it.
the time zones make sense for the US. What doesn't make sense is when the fall back and spring forward bullshit.
Yeah.
Farmers. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, but you gotta understand that depends on what part of the country for you are, because let's say that you have over here the problem we have is that the south side, the southwest part of the country, from top to bottom, they use the same time zones as us. So their day that, for instance, starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and ends at 7 or 6, a typical working day, they still have light on summer, like at 10 p.m. They still have light. So what they are saying is they need to lower the time zone, so they start the day early, so they take advantage of having even more light. But here we don't on the east side, which is where I'm at. So that's why it makes sense. When they have that kind of issues, it makes sense for them to have a different time zone. Like if you are in US, let's say that you are on the northwest part of the country, you're gonna have more light in summer than the guys from the east side. Oh yeah, but it's annoying as hell. Aye, bitch, come on.
Kind of acting like it wants to hold yesterday's high. So we got
Man, these Max 7s are playing pookie today. Up and down, up and down.
Remember, we already filled that wick at the top, so right now they're just gonna chop up and see what direction they take after.
Yeah.
I mean, they're already closed above that wick. I mean, no, I didn't. I'm lying. Didn't. But that was a really strong recovery, guys. That was a really strong recovery. Now we're testing. I believe we're retesting supply to become demand. That way we could continue to the upside. So your longs, if you're gonna put a limit order longs, you're gonna put like 520, 522 long, and let it ride all the way to like 600.
You said full port, right?
I did say full port.
Always.
Always.
50 minis.
Oh, that's crazy. Actually, not gonna lie, I had 21 minis running last night and I had to stop myself. Mind you, that was not all on one account, but it was on my live accounts. And I was like, get away from Asia now. Like, I don't trade Asia because it's too kind of jerky for the way that I trade. But yeah, I was like,
Yeah,
no.
if you're a momentum scalper on Asia, you are basically screwed. It moves so slow.
Except for last night.
Yeah, I was sleeping, so I didn't saw. I always sleep. I never stay trading in Asia.
You guys will never guess what the problem was.
What was?
I was looking at micro NQ and I was trading my contracts on ES.
I've done that before. Don't feel bad. I have done that.
What the hell? Why is it set up like that? I didn't even look at it. I think dude did it earlier, but he caught himself.
Yeah, you pull a dude. Dude does that all the time. He wants to open MNQ and opens NQ or
And
wants
he's
to
on
trade
gold.
and trades golds. Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna have to be done for the day.
Give me
Do you ever
5
catch
tranches.
yourself where you like have a really good day and then you just like
You want more.
like you get overconfident
And you
and
blow
then
it.
you'll notice the patterns kind of change and then all of a sudden like your thoughts don't line up anymore. Anyway.
Then you shit the bed and then you're back at break even.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, I don't want to be like that. I just had red blue on the 15 back to yesterday high. I'm waiting to see if they're actually gonna hold this or not.
Hey, how's Max 7 looking right now?
You know.
If they shit this, they're gonna shit for a while.
Like we said here, ni fu ni fa. It's like, maybe. Pretty mixed right now because you have green ones, you have red ones. Uh-oh.
Yeah, this is looking very dumpy.
Yeah. It's gonna go deeper.
5 minutes heavy.
Yeah, I think that she wants to retest for 500 for maybe 490. We'll see. And Nvidia just flipped red again, like for the 5th time today. So
Yeah, that was actually quite a bit of volume that came in on the 1 minute, and now it's flipped back up basically.
yeah, but still, you know, a 6-point dump. I'm not sold on it yet. I need to at least see this established above 535 to begin to think that.
Gold is gonna rally up. Gold is gonna rally long, by the way. It's a nice
Gold?
Yeah, gold is a nice W on the 3 minute with a retest continuation, held support at 3602. Looking for a nice, run above 3608 into the highs. It just looks really strong at the moment on the 3 minute. And the 5 minute also confirms the continuation candle.
Surprised we held that 525.
Yeah, that was a clean call.
Oh no.
I said limit orders at 520 for NQ, right?
Is that what you said?
520.
Yeah. Yeah, he said it.
Nice.
So what I always look for on just to kind of tell you what I look for on my cheat sheets, because I know you like patterns too, Pozo. What I look for the 15 seconds is this right here. Right. You see this drop, and then suddenly we tap like a zone that had a base. Once I see this engulf candle, I enter here, and it would be, holding for life with a white tight stop loss that allows me to get like this nice little move up like this. So then it eats up this right here and this right here, continuing to the upside. It's a nice.
Well, you just drew my entry.
Yeah.
Except I'm already at break even.
I hear you. But I usually.
I'm like.
My problem is I don't execute. I see it and I call it, but I don't execute. So I'm working on that right now. And it tends to get worse when I get close to passing my funded account. I hate that.
No, like even now. So I'm gonna sit here and trail this basically on the 15-second wick for wick.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like how it's pulling. It just took me out, and I'm fine with that because it left me very green.
Mm-hmm. No, and what validates the zone, I know sometimes is of course this little gap that we usually have. It's usually getting that balance to come back, and it could go either direction. But as long as you execute it with a limit order, I've noticed that it's so clean. I just gotta set it up.
Yeah.
And again, guys, this is with minis. You're not doing this with micros. With micros, you won't see a big chunk of money.
Look, it even came back and let you re-enter on that 520.
Order
Look,
filled.
I'm gonna take a long here. I like the reaction.
Yeah,
I'll
me
risk
too.
$100. This will be my last trade.
You're like, I'll risk $100. I'm like, bitch, I'm going break even.
No, I could risk
soon as I get
$100. I could risk 100.
Well, no, actually, your stop is where it should be.
Go, baby, go.
I know, right? Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Daddy long. Daddy long.
Look at that 30-minute. If that 30-minute breaks out, Gonzo, we're sitting on clean money,
I'm
bro.
3 minutes long at 5.
I just need to go to the highs again. Tap my
Yeah, this
TP,
guy's
and
a
I'm happy,
degen. What you say, bro? Say it again. Yo, who said that? NX?
It's mad. It's mad.
Matt,
What?
what you
I
say?
didn't
Say it
say
again.
anything.
Matt, say that again. The way you.
A lot of imbalances.
All I hear Matt say, I went 3 minutes long. I'm like, oh my god. Oh snap! This guy's hilarious. All right, so I'm at break even, guys. I'm at break even. If it takes me out, cool. If it saves it and it holds, awesome. You know what? Just to give it some room, I might just put 0 because I have $18 positive.
Oh no! All we need is a Trump tweet, and then it takes everything back. So I'm almost out.
Come on, Trump. Just give me 100 points up out of the blue, brother.
That dude just can't keep his mouth shut. We're gonna be just tanking.
Nah, we're good. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm out of mine.
Slide.
Come on, baby.
Slide.
You can go from here. That's fine.
Matt, you already closed your position? At least trim 1 mini, bro. Don't be a degen.
No, close. 800. Close. That's it. I'm rotating my account.
Gambler. The guy used 3 minutes with a 10K account.
That boy. How? That's a 50K account. That's a 50K account.
It was my second eval. Oh, like, not that bad.
Oh snap! Come on, baby. Give me 100 points up, baby. Come on, give me 100 points. Beautiful 3-minute candle. Come on. Push it. We tapped the 3-minute supply zone, and that's where you're seeing that sell pressure, guys. 542. Come on, baby. Just fly me to the moon. No.
Damn.
Come on.
Hold on, I know the fix.
Come on.
See, it's going up.
If this one takes me out, I'm done for the day, guys. I really am done for the day. I'm not gonna play FOMO here all day. I saw it, I reacted, that's all that matters.
What's your take profit?
I have
Or
no
is it
TP.
just non-existent?
It's non-existent for me. I want to go to 600. I just want to see a huge pump. I just want to see a huge pump. As long as this flies above like 550s, I'm taking it all the way to 700, 650. I don't care. I need to pass. Well, all I need is 800 bucks. What am I talking about? Yeah,
I
600.
just need 20 points up.
600.
Please give me 20 points.
What
I'm not
is it?
asking you to
So
do.
yeah, I need
just
like this
20
amount.
points.
I need like 615. That's all I need. And it's not a bad area. Look, I have my supply set up there. So I'm chilling. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Oh, whoa.
Order filled.
There you go, guys. Chilling. And now it's going to take off without me, I bet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's your morning New York for you guys. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. Today was a good session. It had a lot of confluences. I think I was able to teach you guys a lot from the fibs, from what to expect, not doing rookie mistakes, and just looking at confluences that help you really become a better trader patiently, because patient pays. As you guys seen, it feels almost as if we always miss out a lot of opportunities when we don't trigger. But once we know the direction, it's all a matter of just understanding when to get in and using proper risk and just getting a nice $300-400 day. If you could consistently make $300-400 on 3 micros, trust me, all you need to do is scale up little by little, and over time you're gonna be making $1,000 consistently with hopefully a good risk management of $300 loss per day max. Because again, you want to stay alive for as long as you could within 1 to 2 trades a day and maximizing 10 losses. That's the way you would always become a break-even trader. And then once you overcome the break-even stage, it's just a matter of just following your rules and staying consistent. So that's all I have for today, guys. If you guys have anything else that you want to share, please, the floor is yours. This is not only my spotlight. This is our community. We are a group, guys.
Thank you so much, guys.
Always, always, guys.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Take care, guys.